When it comes to a late payment, if a creditor replies, verified, validated, accurate, well, it's not as easy as that, Mr. Creditor, because now you have to prove. So when it comes to a late payment, and we're talking about 15 USC 1666B, they must now prove that they sent the notice out that has the statement, that has the information from 1637B, that it was mailed or delivered. So if it was mailed, they need to provide a tracking number, right? If they did an email for delivered, then it needs to show date, time, stamp. And they must also prove that this information was delivered no later than 21 days before the payment due date. In addition to that, they must also provide the negative information notice that they should have sent to the consumer before the negative information was put on the consumer report. So they can reply verified, validated, or accurate all they want. Now they must produce the documentation to support it. And if they can't produce the information, they must delete it. Or guess what? You go down to the courthouse, you either go to arbitration, go to small claims, and you get paid, baby. Yes, you heard me right. Get paid. All right.